Welcome back to MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely extraordinary to show you. This isn't just another luxury motorhome review. What you're looking at right now is possibly the most insane, most outrageous, and most expensive RV concept ever created. Bugatti, the legendary French hypercar manufacturer known for creating some of the fastest and most exclusive vehicles on the planet, has decided to enter the motorhome market, and trust me, they've done it in the most Bugatti way possible. Let's start with the exterior design, because honestly, where else would you start with something this jaw-dropping? The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome takes everything we know about RV design and throws it completely out the window. The front fascia is pure Bugatti DNA, featuring that distinctive horseshoe grille we've seen on the Chiron and Veyron, but supersized and reimagined for a massive motorhome platform. The aerodynamic lines flow from front to back like a sculpted piece of art, with those signature Bugatti curves creating a sense of motion even when standing still. The most striking feature has to be those dramatic ribbed panels that flow across the roof and upper body. These aren't just for show, they're actually functional aerodynamic elements designed to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, which is crucial for a vehicle of this size. The entire body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, keeping the weight down while maintaining that premium feel. The panoramic windows run along both levels, offering breathtaking views from inside, while the dark tinted glass ensures privacy for whoever is lucky enough to own this masterpiece. Those wheels deserve their own moment of appreciation. We're looking at custom-designed multi-spoke alloy wheels that measure an absolutely massive size, fitted with specially developed performance tires. The 6-wheel configuration isn't just for looks, it's necessary to support the weight and provide the stability needed for a vehicle of this magnitude. The brake calipers peek through those spokes, and yes, they're the same high-performance braking system you'd find on a Bugatti hypercar, scaled up appropriately. Moving to the interior, and this is where Bugatti has truly outdone themselves. Step inside through the illuminated staircase, and you're immediately transported into a world of absolute opulence. The lower level features a main living area with handcrafted leather seating, premium wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents throughout. Every surface has been meticulously crafted by Bugatti's master artisans, the same people who hand-stitched the interiors of multi-million-dollar Chirons. The attention to detail is absolutely insane. The kitchen area features top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and stone countertops. We're talking about a full-size refrigerator, a professional-grade cooking range, and even a wine cellar that can store your most prized bottles at the perfect temperature. The bathroom is like something out of a 5-star hotel, with marble finishes, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors with integrated displays. Now let's talk about the upper level, which is accessed by that stunning illuminated spiral staircase. The master bedroom suite is absolutely incredible, featuring a king-size bed, ambient lighting that can be customized to your preference, and those massive panoramic windows that give you views most people only dream about. There's also a second bedroom, a full office space with integrated technology for remote work, and a lounge area perfect for entertaining guests or just relaxing after a long day on the road. The technology integrated into this motorhome is next level. We're talking about a fully autonomous driving system that can handle highway cruising, adaptive air suspension that adjusts to road conditions in real time, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system throughout. There are screens everywhere, all controllable through voice commands or the central touchscreen interface. The sound system is a custom-designed setup that would make audiophiles weep with joy. Performance-wise, this isn't your average sluggish RV. Bugatti has equipped this beast with a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, a modified version of the powerplant found in their hypercars. We're looking at approximately 1,500 horsepower pushing this luxury apartment on wheels. Now obviously, you're not going to be doing 200 miles per hour in a motorhome, but the power is there to effortlessly cruise at highway speeds, tackle steep mountain passes, and merge into traffic without breaking a sweat. The 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth as butter, and the all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in all conditions. The fuel economy? Well, let's just say if you can afford the price tag, you're probably not too worried about fuel costs. But Bugatti has incorporated hybrid technology to improve efficiency during city driving and when the vehicle is stationary but using onboard systems. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. While Bugatti hasn't officially announced pricing, industry experts estimate this masterpiece will cost somewhere between $2 and $3 million. Yes, you heard that right. For the price of a small mansion, you could own what is essentially a Bugatti that you can live in. Production will be extremely limited, we're talking maybe 20 to 30 units worldwide, making this one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever created. Each one will be customized to the owner's exact specifications, so no two will be exactly alike. Is it practical? Absolutely not. Is it necessary? Definitely not. Is it the ultimate expression of automotive luxury and excess? Without a doubt. This is Bugatti making a statement, showing the world that they can take their hypercar expertise and apply it to literally any vehicle category they choose. Whether you love it or think it's completely ridiculous, you cannot deny that it's absolutely unforgettable. Thanks for watching MH Car Review.